you around this way. Oh, that's beautiful.
That's fantastic.
Oh well, Beth, I am suitably soggy now. You're eating that in the hardest way, aren't you?
Down, clever girl. Oh, I got it. Right so.
Yeah. She'll do this when she gets the last bit of food once we head a bit further down there. It's called mantling basically, she's covering it over. So and plus she's a little bit wet from her grass experience, so she's trying to dry off a little bit. But if she's caught something, if she's caught a mouse or a rabbit, then there's going to be lots and lots of other predators that would also want to come and nick it and kill her. So they basically protect it by covering it over. Because if you are another bird of prey, you might